What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if the voicemail notifications won't go away in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the voicemail notifications issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the phone app. Now tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the phone app. So to clear this, tap on this clear data option, then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory of phone app, the voicemail notifications issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone and then scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be permanently deleted, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts. Everything from your phone will be deleted. So tap on this option and after that the voicemail notifications won't go away issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.